just like Ryan. Waits until we're almost out, and then he pulls the string. We'll find the bastard. We'll find him, and we'll tear his heart out!
I came to this place to build the impossible. You came to rob what you could never build. A hum gaping at the gates of Rome. Even the air you breathe is sponged from my account. Well, very deep. So later you might remember the taste.
You get to the bathysphere in the rolling hills. That'll take you straight to the devil himself. And then all debts will be paid in full.
Grace, is somebody there? Wait, this way! Hello, beautiful.
Will never amount to anything!
So many questions. Sometimes...
Run! Run! They're coming!
This is our place! Ours!
What's wrong with you, miss? No! 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 No!
In the gathering dark, you light a candle. You have saved the little ones when you might have shown your cruelty. I am sending something your way to demonstrate our thanks.
When is a fever not when I say
Time
anything!
for a nap, sweet angel.
Knock foes back with hurricane force. Laugh as they bounce off the wall.
There has been tremendous pressure to regulate this plasmid business. There have been side effects, blind...
Rolling Hills is over yonder, and the bathysphere station is as well. And then straight on to Ryan.
We all make choices, but in the end, our choices make us.
You'll regret coming.
Nothing at all. Phantoms and wind.
You might hear things about me, see my name about, think what you will. There was a time I cared about politics, but it's just an excuse men use to kill one another. I'm done with all that. I just want to see the sunlight again.
Standards, even in troubled times.
Darling! You don't say you won't get that in any respectable hotel in Hello?
We'd love to make a day of it. I just adore the summertime. Oh, he's terribly funny, but his wife is...
Don't you disrespect me! I'll send the boy out to give you a good thrashing.
whining to me about market forces, and don't expect me to punish citizens for showing a little initiative. If you don't like what Fontaine is doing, well, I suggest you find a way to offer a better product.
Yes, I know about the lockdown. It's absurd. Just give me a minute. Early Lazarus tests are very promising. If the Rosa Gallica bloom, then by God, I know we're in business. All right, I'm leaving. But somebody has to find a way to come back to check on these samples. They're very important.
If they haven't chosen to defend Rapture, they've chosen to side with Atlas and his bandits. So there are no innocents. There are heroes, and there are criminals.
Outstretched hands. They're a tune for people, I'll grant you. The darling is at you, hanger-on!
On the surface, I once bought a forest. The parasites claimed that the land belonged to God and demanded that I establish a public park there. Why? So the rebel could stand slack-jawed under the canopy and pretend that it was paradise Earth. Congress moved to nationalize my forest. I burnt it to the ground. God did not plant the seeds of this Arcadia. I did.
Tear out the stitches!
The minute we came here, Masha started screaming, "Mama, Mama, what is that? What is that?" I thought she was having some kind of seizure. And then I realized, trees. Never saw one before. Thought they were monsters. Oh, Sammy. Maybe we never should have come to this place.
Stay close, Mr. B. I can smell something nasty. Thank you, Mr. B. Keep it out from me! Keep it out from me! Thank you, mister. Thank you.
chance put something foul into the air. Bottom of the ocean, boyo. All the oxygen comes from the trees. No trees, no oxygen. Give me a spell to think. Ryan's woman in Arcadia is an old Betty named Langford. An okay sort, but not above doing a dirty job for $1. If she's still kicking around, I'm sure she's gonna want to save her trees. After all, she planted the damn thing.
Muchas gracias, señor. Bienvenido al Amoranito. Muchas gracias, señor.
My trees? It wasn't you, was it? No. Ryan. I think I've got a way to save the trees. It's a genetic vector that... Oh, look who I'm talking to. Could you find a sample of Rosa Gallica for me? Look in the grotto. I've got to keep working while there's time.
You come to my town? To my town?
Go and run! That's all your time is good for!
Hate the babies the most. They come out.
You defile this place! You question my gut! Clean this place up. Scrub it down. Trolling. Trolling!
They dress up in leaves and call themselves the Saturnine. Please. They drink human blood and chant, "Harness the flame, harness the mist," and believe they're touched by the ancient gods. An aging bunch of frat boys tilting back goblets of plasmids and calling it ambrosia.
He is a poison! Kill him!
The poison! Kill the
On everything!
Rosa Gallica? Well, what are you waiting for? An engraved invitation? Send it through the pneumo. Yes, this is perfect. Perfect. Come on up to my office. I'm letting you in now. I think I've got just the thing to put the green back in this forest. Isn't there anything in this damn place those pagans won't steal? Paper towels, ink pots, witch hazel, chlorophyll solution, even my back issues of National Geographic. They're centering their disgusting little shrines with it, I suppose. Sick bastards. Who says you can't teach an old hound new tricks? This batty plant woman spends 4 years coming up with ways to defoliate trees in the Pacific to scare out the Japs, and now here I am, down at the bottom of the Atlantic, trying to figure out how to do the same thing in reverse. Adam. It's bathtub gin times the atom bomb times Eve with a serpent. Let's go see what it can do.
Julie, we made a business deal, you and I, did we not? Money changed hands. Let me read to you from the agreement. Section 3, subsection 4.
Mr. Ryan.
Ryan Industries maintains exclusive rights to the creation, use, and exploitation of the Lazarus vector. Ownership is civilization.
Wait! No! Please!
Without it, we're back in the swamp.
Mr.
Every time we get a yard ahead, Ryan goes and moves the goal line down to the other side of the field. Point of being a damn genius if the only ones around to appreciate it are a bunch of spliced up morons. I've cracked the vector, or at least I'm 99% certain I have. I just need a bud of Rosa Gallica to confirm my analysis. Distilled water, a bit of chlorophyll, and enzymes extracted from Apis mellifera. That's right, sweetheart. Honeybee spit.
Somebody there! This is...
We have rules here! Run out now, you ghastly person. Good riddance, you little...
Arcadia's a big place, but mostly rural. If you're looking for something in particular, I'd start at the farmer's market.
Here now! Stop wasting my time, you horrid monster!
I hate the babies the most. They come out covered in death.
Damn fanatics!
His eye
I look at genes all day long, and never do I see the blueprint of sin. I could blame the Germans, but in truth I did not find tormentors in the prison camp, but kindred spirits.
Julie, my dear, I am trying to run a business here. You want to spend time with my honeybees? Well, I'm gonna have to start charging you for the pleasure. If I come out one more time and find you lolling out there amongst my hives, I'm grabbing my shotgun. As to your question, yes, my days in beekeeping school are a blur. But I do seem to remember something about that enzyme you keep blabbing on about.
Mr. Ryan's gonna notice me, and I'm gonna be a star. Not too late, not too late.
Play with me now!
Love someone naughty? What? It's my heart! Mine! Come here and say that to my face!
Children, they're very ridiculous. They're too souls. They're ghastly errands. They're ghoulish Frankenstein fathers. But we've all placed our hand on the great chain of endeavor. My hand is on it. Fontaine's is on it. We all pull it and are pulled by it. Yes, these children are an abomination. But it is not my hand alone on the chain that created them. No. Their little fingers were right there, next to mine.
No. You saved me.
In 10 years in this dump, I've come to accept a very low standard of life. But even at the bottom of this fish tank, a man must have standards. The pathetic trou de cul down at Morley Winery has started putting water to his terrible wine. Water! When I confronted him with this fatty, he tells me, Pierre, this is not to worry. The water, she is distilled. Gross! I picked it right from the ocean.
The children, with their very long needles, their tuneless songs, their ghastly errands, their ghoulish Frankenstein fathers. But we've all placed our hand on the great chain of endeavor. My hand is on it. Fontaine's is on it. We all pull it and are pulled by it. Yes, these children are an abomination. But it is not my hand alone on the chain that created them. No. Their little fingers were right there, next to mine.
Adam acts like a benign cancer, destroying native cells and replacing them with unstable stem versions. While this very instability is what gives it its amazing properties, it is also what causes the cosmetic and mental damage. You need more and more Adam just to keep back the tide. From a medical standpoint, this is catastrophic. From a business standpoint, well, Fontaine sees the possibilities.
Unleash insects against groups of enemies. Attack lots of enemies at the same time.
A reminder. The bottom of the ocean is our home, but it can also
Why do they wear those masks? Maybe there's a part of them that remembers how they used to be, how they used to look, and they're ashamed.
Jesus loves me deep.
The children must I had hoped to replace them in the vegetative state so they would be more pliable. I find being around them very uncomfortable. Even with those things implanted in their bellies, they are still children. They play. They sing. Sometimes they look at me. They don't stop. Sometimes they smile.
I'm good enough. What? I am good enough!
On my walk today, I had my first encounter with Harrigan. He, a lumbering palooka in a foul-smelling diving suit, and she, an unwashed moppet in a filthy pink smock. Her pallor was off, green and morbid. And there was a rather unpleasant aspect to her demeanor, as if she were in an altogether different place than the rest of us. I understand the need for such creatures. I just wish they could make them more presentable.
One of the children came and sat in my lap. I push her off. I shout, "Get away from me!" I can see the Adam oozing out of the corner of her mouth. It's thick and green. Her filthy hair hanging in her face, dirty clothes, and that dead glow in her eye.
It is not this child I hate.
Don't fight the inevitable. You'll run out of oxygen soon, and then just wait.
We can see.
Do you have all the components for the Lazarus Vector yet? If you do, best head to a crafting station. Then, head back to Langford's lab and put the whole witch's brew in the mister. That should clear this fog right up.
Do it! I'm top dog, you!
lesson to you. Perhaps this will suffice.
Ryan's got your number. No doubt he'll be sending company. Best to head back to the lab entrance and seal her up. Might be the only way to keep the splicers out. What are you waiting for, boy? Ryan's lads are on their way. when you get some money, buddy.
Oh, Christ! Here they come!
I sent your wee package through the pneumo. Not much, but every little bit counts.
Don't worry. I'm a professional.
Don't like them with it. For Christ's sake, how long is that damn vector gonna take to cook?
How can I help you? Somebody go for you! Put out my gas! You'll be back! Goddamn doctor! How can a typical behavior for someone with your condition?
You're about halfway there. Keep your hand on the throttle. Ryan's skin jobs aren't the time to get complacent.
Look at your filthy! It's a standard procedure! They're running!
Well done, lad. Take a deep breath and enjoy it. Then head over to Rolling Hills and get the bathysphere. Next stop is Ryan's house. It's time for blood.
so resistant to the traditional methods of separating a man from his soul? You're not CIA, are you? You belong to Atlas, the one roach I can't seem to exterminate. Don't worry. I just need time to find the proper poison.
I believe in no God, no invisible man in the sky. But there is something more powerful than each of us, a combination of our efforts, a great chain of industry that unites us. But it is only when we struggle in our own interest that the chain pulls society in the right direction. The chain is too powerful and too mysterious for any government to guide. Any man who tells you different either has his hand in your pocket or a pistol to your neck.